Everyone's talking about AstraZeneca's new obesity deal like it's just another pharma headline. It's not. This deal is a warning shot. AstraZeneca just agreed to pay up to nearly $14 billion for an obesity drug that isn't even approved yet. Let that sink in. No phase 3, no commercial sales, just early science, and they still pulled the trigger. Why? Because Big Pharma isn't innovating anymore, it's acquiring innovation. This is what a takeover phase looks like. For years, pharma said we'll build internally. That didn't work. R&D productivity collapsed, patents started expiring, and suddenly Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly are eating the entire obesity market. So now the strategy has changed. Buy first, ask questions later. And notice something else. This deal came out of China. That's not an accident. China has quietly become the world's biotech factory. High-quality molecules, faster timelines, lower costs. Western pharma brings the balance sheet and global distribution. It's a perfect match, and it's happening everywhere. This isn't partnership season. This is land grab season. Public biotech valuations are crushed. Venture capital wants exits. Small biotechs can't fund late-stage trials. Big Pharma knows this in their shopping. These collaborations you keep hearing about, many of them are just acquisitions with better PR. First comes the licensing deal, then the milestones, then the buyout. And obesity is just the opening act. Oncology, AI-driven drug discovery, rare diseases, anything with platform potential is on the menu. So, if you're an investor, stop asking, is this biotech profitable? That's the wrong question. The right question is, who needs this asset to survive? And if you're running a biotech, you're not building a forever company. You're building something Big Pharma can't afford to miss. The AstraZeneca deal made one thing very clear. Biotech is no longer a science experiment. It's a hunting ground. And the hunters are fully funded.